So as you know, the title of today's presentation is AI productivity tools you can be using right now. In the presentation, I'll endeavour to show a number of platforms and tools that lawyers and legal practices can look at implementing in their practice, and the way that this implementation and assessment of tools can be best approached. So what we'll be covering off today is just a very brief explanation of what is AI, the types of AI productivity tools that are available in a software platform sense, what a custom GPT or a RAG is, and we'll get to that obviously in the presentation, some of the legal specific platforms that have emerged in the past couple of years that draw heavily on AI, and I guess what you might call a bit of a Rolls-Royce type solution for legal practices, and practical steps that can be taken to put it all into practice. So firstly, what is AI? And I won't, I guess, labour on anything in the presentation to too much of a technical degree, but I think it's helpful just to start with the basic definition. So artificial intelligence is the theory and development of computer systems able to perform tasks normally requiring human intelligence. And that notion of normally requiring human intelligence is key to the idea of an AI versus, I guess, what is more traditional in terms of computer software and computer applications. There's many types of AI, and AI has been around for decades. Some of the most known examples of AI and the types of AI that I guess we interact with on a daily basis include, and as I say, this isn't an exhaustive list, but include machine learning, computer vision, natural language processing, and generative AI. So AI is obviously in the news and has come to the forefront of, I guess, mainstream media in the last year or so with the likes of ChatGPT. The reason that, despite being around for decades, the reason that AI is so prominent and talked about at the moment is, I would suggest, because generative AI has emerged in just the last few years and is progressing at a rate that few people would have predicted. Not a week goes by, often not a day goes by without a release of a new version of one of the major platforms that is a substantial increase on what's possible. And it's really been that rate of the rate of growth and the rate of adoption that I think has really thrust AI into the media because of generative AI, and also because it's literally impossible if you use the web, if you use major platforms like Microsoft Office and Google Workplace. It's impossible to avoid AI because it is being embedded deeply into every major software platform.